you have to complete those chemical equation. Okay. H2SO4 when react with zinc, NaOH when react with zinc, Zn plus H2O will gives you what? A plus H2O will gives you what? Ca plus H2O will gives you what? And next है Mg MgCO3 plus H2SO4 will gives you what? Okay, plus CaCO3 plus HCl will gives you what? Next is Zn plus HNO3. चलिए कंप्लीट करें इसको फटाफट से, कंप्लीट इट फास्ट. Done. जब हो जाए तुम्हें बताना. When you are done, please let me know. Okay. Umar, are you able to do that one? What would happen when H2SO4 is going to react with zinc? It is metal, it is acid. Metal plus acid is? What is the general reactions when metals react with acids? Salt plus H2. So if your metal is zinc and acid is H2SO4, then it will give you ZnSO4. Remove the hydrogen from acids and you will get SO4 ion and zinc. What is written here is 2. This 2 is due to the valency of sulfate ion 2. When we cross multiply, we will get ZnSO4. Zinc की भी 2 होती cancel हो जाएगी. You will get ZnSO4 plus H2. समझ आया? Everyone understood? Next.
Yes.
Zinc plus NaOH, metal plus base. What does it gives you? What does it gives you when you are reacting with metal plus base? Let me know. So it is ZnSO4 plus H2. Now it is Na2 ZnO2 plus H2. Okay, complete this one. That is ZnO plus H2, zinc oxide. Next one is KOH plus H2. Next is calcium hydroxide is COH whole plus hydrogen gas. Magnesium carbonate is Mg plus MgSO4 plus CO2 plus water. Okay. That is magnesium. Magnesium carbonate. When react with it is metal carbonate. So when metal carbonate is going to react with acid, it will gives you metal sulfate there, and then carbon dioxide plus water. Because any metal carbonate when react with acid, it will give you salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Similarly, this will also gives you salt, calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Here is a special case that HNO3 do not react with any metals. It react only magnesium and manganese to gives you hydrogen gas. So if you think that it will gives you salt plus hydrogen gas, it is not so. So zinc के साथ it will gives you Zn, zinc nitrate plus NO2 plus H2O. So please write down these reactions, and after that one, do it please fast as जल्दी से करें. And the conditions, write down the condition for this one. It can react with any temperature. Okay, it can react with any temperature, but it should be gas. It should be cold water, not ice. Okay, so write it down. When you're done, please let me know. Done.
Yes.
Wrote it down. When you're done, please let me know. Done. Done, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Umar, noted. Done, Umar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's you start doing the questions here. Okay, just a minute. and its compound. So it is- Start doing question number 44, 46. Okay. And 43. Write down the questions also in your notebook fast. Then beta हुआ बहुत आसान. This is very easy questions. Have you done this one, Umar? Other students, why are not turning on your camera? Please turn on your camera. Ryan, Ritvika, Afreen, please turn on your camera.
Yes, sir.
A non-metal exists in two different forms, X, Y, and Z. Sorry, non-metal is X, and the different forms are Y and Z. Y is the hardest substance, and X is a good. Sorry, Y is the hardest substance, and Z is a good conductor of electricity. Can you name it? What is X, Ritvika? What is X?
Sir, carbon.
Carbon. And what is Z?
Graphite.
Hmm?
Graphite.
Z is,
Graphite.
yeah, Z is graphite because it is good conductor, and Y is
Y is diamond.
very good. Diamond. Okay, very good. So diamond is the hardest substance, which is also, and they both are X carbon, which is carbon. Carbons ki different form that we're going to study in detail. Don't worry about it. Okay. In carbon's compound chapter, we're going to study that in detail the structures of carbon, because carbon chapter is especially will specially study about the allotropes of carbon. That's called allotropes. The existence of different uh, the existence of an element like carbon in different forms like graphite and diamond. We call them allotropes. What are allotropes? Existence of same element in nature in different forms. Like carbon is existing in the form of graphite, it is also existing in the form of diamond, but it is carbon. So that's why these are considered to be as allotrope of carbon. Diamond and graphites are allotrope. So have you done question number 44? MnO2 when react with aluminium, it will gives you Mn plus Al2O3 plus heat. Okay. So if I'm saying Mn plus MnO2 plus Al, it is giving you this one. It is asking is aluminium is getting reduced? No, aluminium is added with oxygen, so it is getting oxidized. So it is wrong. Is MnO2 is getting oxidized? No, Mn, we are removing oxygen from Mn, so removal of oxygen is called reduction. So Mn is reduced, MnO2 is reduced, it is reduced, and aluminium is oxidized. Okay, got it, man? Rayan, you there?
Yes, sir.
Afreen, you there, beta? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So we have done this one. So have you done this question number 46? Have you done question number 46? A metal A which is used in thermite reaction. Let we don't know what is thermite reaction, let it be. A is used in thermite reaction when heated with oxygen gives an oxide B. But you should know what is thermite reaction. Reaction of aluminium oxide, sorry, iron oxide with aluminium. Iron oxide will gives you Al2O3 plus Fe. This reaction is so exothermic that the heat liberated during this reaction is so large that the metal obtained, means iron obtained, is in liquid state. This is called thermite reaction. What we called it? This is thermite reaction. So it is asking, it is saying that a metal A, it is a metal A, not, this is a compound and this is a metal. So it is a metal which is aluminium. Okay, used in the thermite reaction. When heated, it gives an oxide B. So when you heat aluminium with oxygen, it gives oxide, that is Al2O3. Can you write the reaction of A and B? Identify A and B. A is aluminium and B is this one. Write down the reaction of B with SCl and NaOH. B with SCl and NaOH means you have to write the reaction of Al2O3 with SCl and same Al2O3 with NaOH. Write down these reactions fast. Complete these reactions. Have you noted the questions?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Done. Reaction of aluminum oxide with HCl and NaOH. It is very simple. When aluminum is metal oxide, when react with HCl, it will give you salt and water. That is AlCl3 plus H2O. And same this aluminum oxide when react with base, it will give you salt and water. And will gives you sodium aluminate, NaAlO2 plus water. Here Al2O3 is acting like an acid. And here Al2O3 acting like a base. That's why Al2O3 is a amphoteric oxide. Note it down.
It acts as a
Hmm.
Al2O3 acts as a
What is it?
Al2O3 acts as a
Al2O3 is acting like an acid here. Acid. Because when it react with base, it react like an acid. When it react with acid, it react like a base because it is amphoteric oxide. Okay? Done?
yes, sir.
Next. Everyone done? Should I move forward? Delete kar do? Should I delete it?
Oh, yes, sir.
Write down question number 50 fast. Question number 50. Done?
No, sir.
What is A?
Carbon.
Carbon. What is B and C?
C is carbon dioxide.
And B? B is carbon monoxide. Carbon form two types of oxides. Carbon, when react with sufficient supply of oxygen, it will give you CO2. When carbon react with insufficient supply of oxygen, then it will give carbon monoxide, CO. Okay, so this is B. B, this is C, and this is A, carbon. You done? Okay, let's you move the next. What could be the? Yes, everyone please turn on the camera. Do question number 54 fast. Question number 54. Can you tell me, Umar, what is question number 54? What is the answer for question number 54? Question number 54. Ritvika, Rayan, Afreen. Why are you not answering?
Sir, I'm doing it.
What's the answer? Rayan?
Yes, sir.
Done.
What are the answers, sir?
And alkali metals A. Alkali metals are potassium, sodium, calcium. Not calcium, sorry. Potassium, sodium, lithium. Okay, these are the alkali metals that are in our syllabus. Forms a compound B. Compound B, bracket, molecular mass of the compound is 40. Alone, the mass of this one is 39. This mass is 23 and this one is mass is 7. On reacting with water, they all react with water, they form hydroxide, like potassium form potassium hydroxide, sodium form sodium hydroxide, and lithium form lithium hydroxide. The mass of this one will be 17 plus 39, you will get 56. Yes, 56 mass. Okay, the mass of this one is 40 and the mass of this one is 16, 117, 17 and 7, 24. Okay, so it is talking about the molecular mass of what? Okay, reacting with water. The compound B gives a soluble compound, means the compound B gives a soluble compound C on treatment with aluminium oxide. Identify A, B, C. You have to find A, B, and C. Got it? A, B, C you have to find out. A,
Mm.
B, and C. So it is saying that a compound A, so A is Na when it is reacting with water because it will give you NaOH plus hydrogen gas. Only the sodium, potassium, lithium, calcium and magnesium form hydroxide when react with water. Other form only oxide, like zinc when react with water, it will not form zinc hydroxide, it will form zinc oxide. Aluminium when react with water, it will form aluminium oxide, not aluminium hydroxide. Okay, so 4 metal form hydroxide. On treatment with aluminium oxide, okay. Identify A, B, and C. You have to find out A, B, and C. So this is A, this is B, and the on treatment and gives a compound B, which is soluble, gives a soluble compound C on treatment with aluminium oxide. So what is that compound C when this B is treated? The compound B gives a soluble compound C on treatment with aluminium oxide. And compound B is aluminium. This one is B. When react with Al2O3, what is that soluble compound it is going to give you? Tell me fast. What is that soluble compound that it is going to give you?
Will you NaAlO2 plus H2?
Hmm?
NaAlO2 plus H2.
NaAlO2 plus H2O. If it is aluminium only, then it will be H2. If it is aluminium oxide, then it will be H2O. Got it? Got it?
Oh, yes, sir.
Note it down first. This is compound C. You done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ritvika, you also?
Oh, yes, sir, done.
Okay. Write down question number 59 and try to find out A, B, C, D. Try to find out fast.
Sir, I don't know D.
Yes. Are you able to solve this one? A non-metal A is the largest constant of air. Which non-metal is the largest constant of air?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Okay. So it is saying nitrogens is A. Okay. Nitrogen exists in the form in atmosphere in the form of N or N2 or N3?
N2.
N2.
N2. React with hydrogen in ratio 1:3 means 1 here and 3 here. So which compound it
NH3.
is going to give you? In the presence of Fe as a catalyst and gives the gas B. Which is that gas it is going to form? N2 plus 3H2 will gives you what? Hmm? 2NH3, ammonia gas. Now it is saying here that on heating with O2, it gives C. If this oxide is passed into water, okay, give a gas B. On heating with O2, it gives C. Means when you pass N2 NH3 with O2, it will gives you a gas, a substance C, an oxide C. Okay. which is passed into water in the presence of air, it acts as a D. Okay. So here we have N2 plus CH2 will gives you NH3. It is a gas B. It is B. It is B. Now it is saying on heating with O2, it gives C. So what is that when nitrogen is going to react with N2O? NO2. NO2. Plus H2O. Okay. Now it is saying that, so this is an oxide C, metal oxide C. If it is saying that if this oxide is passed into water in the presence of air, now this oxide, this NO2 is passed in water, it will gives you HNO3. And HNO3 is act as a strong oxidizing agent. It is D. D. So this is what is this? This is C. So C when react with water in the presence of air. So it will gives you D, which is HNO3. Okay, write it down fast.
Sir, done.
Done.
Yes.
Everyone noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down question number 3 and try to find out XYZ. Question number 63 fast. Write down question number 63. When you're done, please let me know. Done?
No, sir. Sir, done.
Done. What is X?
X is calcium.
X is calcium. React with cold water. Yes, X react with cold water. That is calcium. It can be potassium also. It can be sodium also. They all three react with cold water. Why react with hot water? So what is that element which reacts with hot water?
Al-
It is
magnesium.
magnesium. Very good. And Z react with the steam only.
Aluminum.
That is zinc, aluminium. You can say okay, zinc, aluminium, iron. You can any one of them. Got it? Got
Sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Next is an element A burns with golden flame. So the other class I'm going to have. Okay. So okay. So you can leave dear students. We're going to have another class. So that's all for thanks for coming everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye.